Yesterday's flea market finds, yard sale finds. I like that one better, but somebody let it freeze up. It's going to need a new pump. This one was hard to start, but I got it going, and it works. That one is just shooting water out straight down. So that casing broke. This one, not bad. Figured out how to use the wand. It came with these little tips like these, but they don't go in that wand. So I think I'm going to fix that one. Anyway, that was from the yard sale yesterday, so that was fun.
Several days later.
Alright, we got our yard sale find here. Figure I'd take a look at it. I had it running the other day. That was my day. Hey, this one runs sweet. I can't believe how nice this runs. It's really a shame that it got froze up. Doesn't get any better than that. This one's a little hard to start. I think the gas got gummed up. But the pump's cracked, so I got a new pump. Looks like the previous owner had this off. Let's put that back on. To change the pump, gotta take this hose off. I tried doing it by hand, I couldn't do it. Holy crap! Right. Before we get too carried away, let's make sure the new pump looks the same. A little difference in the leg here. It looks pretty close. Pressure valves on the, I don't know, there's a pressure relief valve on this one. This one doesn't appear to have one. There's the soap input. So we got one of those. We got one of these sticking out the back, whatever that is. Same here. It looks like it might be the right one. This part here is a little different. And it's odd that the soap nozzle is on the high pressure side. On both of them, so yeah, well, we'll try it. Okay, that is a, what does that say? 6. Whatever 6 is. But I want to get that hose off first. At least now we know we have a wrench anyway. Maybe these will turn. Oh yeah, that one's loose. The spiders and all. Okay. One more. Perhaps it won't be such a bad job after all. Spider didn't like that. I don't know if I got that on camera or not. Spider is not happy. This pump's junk anyway. I think it's coming off with it. I can get that off in bench a hell of a lot easier than I can on this thing. Let's try it. Okay, and now the engine's loose. That one is longer. Didn't appear to be anything holding that on. There we go. There is a key in here that we need to pull out. Okay. There that is. A new hose too, apparently. See, this one doesn't. This one's different. Now, as long as the key fits, it all goes back together, I'll be happy.
Oh no!
All right, who designed this? I am not a fan.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit smoking.
How am I supposed to do this right side up? The engine's off. It's supposed to be somewhere like that, right?
Many hours later.
Yeah, it's not going on all the way.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit drinking.
Where's my bolts? It's just not going on. Okay, well. Let's check it again. Maybe it just needs cleaning. Lovely. If I can find a can that's not empty.
This time I'm gonna kick that football clear to the moon!
Tell you, this thing is a pain in the ass. Okay, now. Key is here. Key is here. Should. That looks better. Oh, oh, it was so close.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit amphetamines.
I'm not having fun anymore. Right again, I guess. Failure is no option.
Failure is not an option.
Stay in there. Nope. Good news is I made it slippery. Bad news is I can't get it. There we go. Let's try some. This maybe. Need a helping hand. Yep. Damn it.
Beat it, Andy.
Helping hand didn't work out. Nope, it's falling off the table. Not fun. Not fun. Now I can't find the nuts. Well, we took the long way, but we got there. Good grief. Of course. Phew. Okay. That worked. What number metric bullshit is this nut? Should have done that while I had it off. Huh? It's 13. 6 and 13. Okay. Let me get this buttoned up and then see what I can do about a hose and see if it works. Wanted to share. Got the nut off finally. Not a whole lot to it. And this is what we find inside. So I'm thinking that this must be the joint here. Not exactly sure. I know it needs to be cleaned up. I put my wire brush in storage. Shit. Well, on to plan B. Meet plan B. This is what it looks like cleaned up. A little better. I think I can, maybe I can twist that out. Maybe I can save it. We'll see. Not too bad. Looks like there was some sort of a gasket on there at one point. So I'll clean that up and replace that O-ring. We can try it on the new one. Alright, moment of truth. Did not expect that. All that work to save that hose. Okay. On to plan C. Found another hose. Let's see if this one works. Oh wow. Yeah, that makes me happy.